Use secret codes on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Open the phone dialer, activate the keypad and enter the first secret code. To check the main version, enter *12580*369#. The main version appears with AP, CP, CSC, and other important info. To check the test mode, enter *7353#. Here you can test hardware features like melody, vibration, speaker, camera, Bluetooth, and sensors. Enter *0* to test screen colors, receiver, vibration, sensor, touch, speaker, and more. To open service mode, enter *011#. To check advanced service mode, enter *2683662#. To check battery status, enter *0228#. To open USB settings, enter *0808#. To check advanced firmware version, enter *2663#. To check the IMEI number, enter *#06#. The IMEI and serial number appear. Tap OK to confirm. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.